So viewers, as you can see, I am currently on the CyberGhost console panel right here. What we are going to do now is perform a manual VPN setup. For that reason, we need to look at the VPN icon located on the left-hand side. We need to click on that icon. Once clicked, we will be able to see the Manual Setup option. Here is the Manual Setup option. Inside this section, I will click on the Configure Device button. After clicking Configure, we are taken to this configuration page. First, we can see the protocol listed as OpenVPN. There are several other protocols listed here, all of which are OpenVPN protocols. You should select the one required for your router or system. I am selecting the first one by default. Next, we see the country selection. Without overcomplicating things, I will simply choose any country from the list. I am selecting Nepal. Following that, I am selecting the Premium Server OpenVPN group from the list. Since I'm creating this configuration for my desktop, I will type in desktop-PC as the device name to create the configuration. Below that, you can see the option for Protection Against Malicious Websites. If you require this, simply check the box. Next is Block Ads. If you want to block advertisements, you can check this box as well. Then we have Block Online Tracking. If you wish to disable online tracking, you can enable that here. Finally, there is Redirect to HTTPS, which you can also select. Once you have selected these options, you need to click Save Configuration right here to save your settings. I am saving the configuration now. You can see that the configuration you saved is displayed right here. You can choose to edit it, or you can delete it. Alternatively, by clicking on the View button here, you can download the file, or you can view the configuration details to perform a manual setup. So, what I'm going to do now is download the OpenVPN application. We will come here to openvpn.net. If you search for this on Google, you will find this option right at the very top. So, looking at OpenVPN Connect for Windows. We are going to download this specific software. I already have it downloaded on my system, so I will not be downloading it again. So, as you can see here, I already have the file downloaded, so I am going to open it now. Once opened, you just need to click Next and install it as you normally would. See, I am clicking Next to start the installation. The installation shouldn't take long. At most, it will take about 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, we are waiting for it to complete. So you can see here that our installation is successfully complete. Since the installation is finished, you will see a pop-up window like this. Simply click on Agree here. Now you can see it is asking for a URL or cloud ID. You can choose to set it up using the URL or cloud ID from here if you wish. This right here is the URL or cloud ID. So let's try to set it up using this method and see. I have entered the URL or cloud ID and am clicking Continue. As you can see, a connection error has appeared. So it is not working this way. What we will do instead is download the configuration file from here. So I have downloaded the configuration file. Since we have downloaded it, as you can see, we have a second option available here, Upload File. We will upload the configuration that we just downloaded. So I am clicking on Upload File now. After clicking Upload, the configuration file we just downloaded will be visible right at the top of the list here. Here is the OpenVPN desktop file location. So what we will do is drag and drop the file from here. It says the file type is not supported. This file is not supported. So what we need to do now is extract it. I'm extracting the file now. Once extracted, as you can see here, our file has been successfully extracted. Now that it is extracted, we will take the very last file from this list and drop it into the application. So what happens now? It is asking us to import the profile. I'm clicking Import to proceed. After importing, I'm clicking on the connection switch. However, clicking it won't connect immediately. It will ask us for a username and password. So we will go back and copy the username from here, and then we will copy the password from here as well. We will paste the password here and press Enter. Once you press Enter, you can see that our OpenVPN is successfully connected. It is connected. So, let's go and verify if the service has actually connected to the specific server it was supposed to. We will now check the server to confirm if it has successfully connected to the correct country. So, as we saw earlier, we had selected Nepal for the connection. Now, looking here, we can clearly see that our Nepal server has indeed connected. The IP address displayed here is a Nepal IP. As you can recall, I had specifically clicked on and selected the Nepal server. So, following this method, you can very easily set up a connection from CyberGhost using OpenVPN on your PC or desktop. If you liked our video and found it useful, I have a special request for you to please subscribe to our channel and stay with us. That is all for today. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz, goodbye, ta-ta.